In this video we are back at the National Motor Museum in Bewley for a bit more behind the scenes action. We are going where people are not allowed to go. Oh, behold, let's enter the workshops. So here we are entering like a temple to old car engineering, where all sorts of projects are occurring. Some very, very interesting ones. Some poor person has had to do an awful lot of polishing because the London to Brighton Run is coming soon and all these lamps need to be fitted to their respective vehicles. But very interesting projects going on in here. We've seen in the main video the 1,000 horsepower Sunbeam. It achieves that through 2 engines, and this is just one of them. Absolutely enormous. Look at that. Plugs everywhere, camshafts all over the place. So this one has been rebuilt, whereas this one is still in progress. But yeah, very, very exciting. Yeah, it's kind of all systems go. Quite busy in here. They've got a guided tour coming in soon, but we've got some fascinating vehicles that you will be able to see. Like this Dietricht here. It's a remarkable car. Look at the radiator on it and the cylinders. And this will be going on the London to Brighton Run, along with the Napier Gordon Bennett car we saw earlier. This really is pure horseless carriage, really. It's a splendid thing. Look at the engineering. Wonderful. This is a customer car that's in to do some customer work as well. And this Daimler, a famous car in the collection, this will also be going on the run. It's having various parts relined in readiness. So yeah, interesting stuff. It's all right. Sorry, I'm trying not to get in the way because they are very, very busy in here today. Yeah, Hudson, Detroit, Michigan. Once obviously Motor City, Detroit. But yeah, also just bits and bobs all over the place. Fascinating. Look at that. It's an entire world away. I really know so little about veteran cars and how they work, how they function, how they operate. But also it's got lathes, everything you could need. There's a motorbike here undergoing restoration. I just wish I could describe the smell. So this remarkably small place is the workshop where they keep generally 10 vehicles are always in sort of turnkey readiness, and they reckon another 30 are not far off. A little bit of work will get them fired up really, really nicely. But yeah, it's wonderful, aren't they, these radiators? So quite clearly see the tubes, not functioning quite so efficiently as modern radiators, but fascinating nonetheless. Got wooden wheels on this one as well. There's all the chain drives at the back. I think are ignition related. Yeah, big jobs. And there's one of the turnkey cars, the hard-working Austin Heavy 12 that I've filmed a video on. So hopefully you've already seen that. It is a beautiful little thing. No synchro mesh, but barely any brakes. But lovely nonetheless, and certainly no power steering, which is unfortunate for the chap behind the wheel. So this is the gearbox out of that Sunbeam. It's a remarkable thing in itself. I'm trying to work out how it works, but I believe it's got feeds from both engines coming into the one gearbox, and then a differential to take power to the wheels. It's formidable engineering, but that was the length you had to go really, really fast in those days. I forget how fast the Sunbeam went, but it was very... Right, we're going to leave them to it. So yeah, keep an eye out for this Dietricht and the Daimler, and of course the Napier, on the London to Brighton this year. Fabulous. Look at this all exposed valve gear and everything. Yeah, be an experience for someone.